Hey everyone, do you want to add a note or caption to your Instagram post or reel? Let's walk you through it step by step. Now, open the Instagram and tap the plus icon at the bottom center to create a new post or reel. Select your photo or video and hit next. Now, on the next screen, you will see the option to add a caption or note. Simply type in your thoughts, hashtags, or any important message related to your content. Now, if you want to, you can tag friends, add a location, or share your post to other platform like Facebook or Twitter by selecting the relevant options. Now once your note or caption is complete, hit share at the top right to post it to your profile. Your followers will see the note or caption alongside your content. And that is how you add a note to your Instagram post or reel. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.